No cracks on this one. Here too. All good. Next batch.
Initiating stamp sequence on selected batch. Proceeding to next batch.
Trays 1 through 5, scanned.
Copy that. Moving to 6.
Steady now, these are fragile.
Got it. One more stack.
Perfect, that's the last one.
All set.
Morning. Departure papers, please. Here you go. Looks good. You're clear. Safe travels. Hatchery entrance ahead. Slow to 10. Copy. Guide to Bay 3 on right. Bay 3. Proceed. Trays loaded. Starting spray.
Confirmed. Pressure is optimal.
Cycle complete. Next batch. Humidity holding steady at 55%. Temperature is optimal at 37.5 degrees. All systems normal.
The hatch rate is excellent.
Yes, over 90% success.
Let's log it.
Done.
This one's underweight. Separating.
Got it. Checking this group.
Binning the weak ones.
Documents, please. Here you go. Everything seems in order. You're clear to depart. Let's check on the little ones. Looking lively and healthy.